Hey, I'm Alex. Today we're painting sandcast internals, stonecast internals, or as you know them, stormcast internals. So that's enough of me, let's get to it. So I used over this miniature Armageddon Dunes by GW. You just apply it all over and wait for it to dry, and then we're going to get priming. So I've primed it with two undercoats. So I primed it with a brown. I used Mornfang brown, but they don't make that anymore, so a bit awkward. So another brown will do, and then I primed with Zandio dust. After that, I used Sepia Sepia. It's a wash. Just apply it. If it pulls up, then use a brush to get rid of the pooling in the recesses. And now we're getting to dry brushing. So lots of dry brushing for this scheme. So I just did a nice quick dry brush of Zandio dust. That is your first layer. And then we're going to get to our second layer of dry brushing, which is Ushanti bone. So you want to just apply it on the edges and that, and you want to work out with your brush so then you don't clog up the paint and the model with messy details. And then the final dry brush was Screaming Skull, and this helps really make everything pop now. It picks out all the texture paint from the Armageddon Dunes. It makes it look like this Stormcast has risen out of the ground. So to make this miniature pop, I've then applied some green. I used the contrast paint Warpstone Lightning. So it's looking okay, but I want it to pop a bit more. So what I did then, I applied the technical paint, what you use for Necron's Tesseract Glow. So I applied a layer of that. And then what I finally did, I used a very forgotten paint, rest in peace, Lamenter's Glaze yellow, but also Dawn yellow contrast paint works if you thin it down with contrast Lannian medium over the green, and it gives like a nice blend. And here it is. This is your Stormcast internal, but painted as like sandstone, full sandstone internal. I don't know. It's a quick, easy scheme. If you know me well enough, I like just getting armies painted. I like the theme. It's a lazy, quick excuse, and it gets a miniature on the table. So there's an info card if you want to see me how to paint Hallowed Knights. So that's a bit more details instead of a quick, easy stone scheme. I appreciate it. Thank you for dropping on by. I would appreciate if you leave a comment, share, like, subscribe. Means a lot. Thank you to the people on screen who go that bit further. They get some extra blogs and all that. It means a lot, but even just checking out this video today is greatly appreciated. So hopefully you like this quick little short video. It was kind of a fun thing to do. I was worried I was going to mess it up badly, but I think I've kind of just blagged it enough where I'm content. So let me know if you've got any quick schemes or certain ideas you have going on, then let's have a discussion in the comments. Anyway, I'm Alex. This is Alex Semps Tabletop. You take care now. Thank you and goodbye.